morning, everybody. I hope you're all having a great week. I'm sure you're all feeling the same way. It's been a little crazy. It's the holidays. I'm on my way to town this morning. I'm going to one of my daughter's house. I need to go see her for a few minutes, and I just gotta run a couple of quick errands, and then I'm going right back home, and I am having a cleaning day. I'm so excited. I just really need to go home, turn Alexa on, listen to some good music, and pump up the jam. I love that song when I'm cleaning, so I just need to put on some really good cleaning music. And I'm really excited. All I care right now today is to just clean the house. You know, my daughter and her boyfriend are home from Chicago, and actually, and you know they're going to be moving to Nashville here right off. They've already got the house. They're just going to get through the holidays, and then they're going to have everything moved over to their new place in Nashville. Anyway, I think I've told you guys all that. They wouldn't let her plants go with the movers. They said no plants. So she had to bring all of her plants on the ride back from Chicago in the car. So they're all at my house, and they're all on my table. In the bunk room, there is a table, but you can't put them down there because there's just not enough sunlight for all of those plants. So they're all on my table. So when I get home, we got to get those plants moved into, I'm going to probably have to just put them in my bedroom, you know, just because Christmas and the holidays and everybody's going to be over. So I'm just going to have to go find a spot to go put them while everybody's at the house. So I'll tuck that away. And I just need to, you know, the everyday stuff. So I didn't do any shopping, you guys. The only shopping I've done this holiday season is just like groceries and stuff. I never did end up doing the shopping. I'm so proud of myself. I need a big pat on the back for that. I actually pulled it off. You guys know I'm just trying to give events for Christmas and be strict about it. Like strictly events. I'm not sure if they're called events, you know, trips, memory trips. Things to do that the kids will all just remember having that much fun doing all these really fun things. So I am sticking to it, and it's been really nice. That stress level of my shopping has been amazing. Still overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed with just like, you know, busy life stuff. Just still a lot of commotion. It's still a busy time and everything, but that whole shopping thing, oh man, it's great. I think I'm gonna love it. I think I've always said I'm gonna not be that one that does all the shopping. I don't mind giving. Again, I'm gonna tell you, I don't mind giving. We're doing fun things. There's gonna be all these kids are gonna have so much fun with everything, all of the fun adventures and stuff that they're getting. So that's not the issue. The issue is the shopping part. Oh, I gotta tell you guys this funny story of yesterday. So, all right, yesterday I was watching the kids, and I needed some stuff at Sam's. I needed quite a few things. My daughter she told me how to do the pickup. I wanted to do the pickup because she does the pickup, and she does pretty big orders, and she goes and she sits and waits for them to bring it out to the car. Well, I decided, okay, if I go into Sam's is my favorite store, if I haven't told you guys this, and I like to buy stuff there. Like, even aside of food and groceries, I love everything they have there. It's just a fun store. It always has been. It's always been my favorite store. And you know how they have like all this Christmas stuff, and I need absolutely nothing. I don't need another decoration or, you know, anything like that. So the more I stay out of the stores, the better, because I won't be so apt to buy stuff. All right, so I just said, all right, I'm going to do this online order, and I'm going to do pickup. And I sat at her house while I was watching the kiddos, and I was placing this order. It was frustrating. I'll be honest. It was a little bit frustrating because I'm not that tech savvy on some of that kind of stuff. Anyways, I managed to get through it, and it was fine. I finally got it figured out how to set the time, what time I needed to pick it up, because it was very important. I was going to have an hour off from kids, and then I was going to go back kids. So during that break from the kids, when I was going to not have kids during a few hours there, I was going to run over to Sam's. So it's very important that the pickup was going to be at that time frame. Let's just say 11 o'clock, okay? I knew I would have from 11 till like 12, so it had to be quick. Well, I get over to Sam's, and Dana texts me. And I had already placed the order. And so anyways, he texted and he needed a lot of stuff, which I had gotten him, but he wanted like 2 of this and 2 of that. And then there was some stuff on there that I didn't get, and then I forgot one of the most important things. So I knew I had to run into this point when I got there for my pickup. So sure enough, when I get there, I have to park, go in. I don't call to tell them I'm there yet to pick up my order. I go in, get everything. Now I'm feeling overwhelmed. The store was crazy busy. You know, it's holidays, to be expected. We're all out trying to get our last minute things that we need. And when I'm in there, I decide, oh, I need this and that and everything else. And it was mostly food items. But I had already placed that order though. So now I've got my cart full again. I get to the checkout. I did the quick checkout myself because there was so many people in the lines and I was in such a hurry. I spent like 45 or 50 minutes in the store. That was a little bit crazy. And then I get out to the car. I'm in the parking lot and I need to call. I need to push a button to say, you can bring my groceries out now that I ordered online. Yeah, I couldn't figure that out. Nobody would answer their phones. Everybody was busy. I didn't know how to do it. I'm sitting there. I can't be late. My daughter has an appointment. I got to get back to her house for the kids. Now I'm feeling the stress. I am like, you know, if you know me, I'm a pretty sensitive person. And oh my God, I'm having this pity party for myself because I can't figure out how to say I'm here. Didn't know what to do. I played and I played and I played and I played. Finally, I figured it out. All right, I'm going to hang up for a few minutes. Got to run in to see my daughter for a minute. I'll click back on shortly. Okay, I'm back and now I'm on my way home. All I've done is gone to my daughter's for a minute. And now I'm on my way home and I can't wait to get home. I'm going to start cleaning. I made myself a little list yesterday of all the little things I want to do. Like I want to wash the floors, vacuum. I need to dust, to do some laundry. I just need to get everything ready for having a big crowd at the house. So I'm very excited and I can't wait. I was going to do this video of me going through my Christmas stuff before Christmas, but it's almost Christmas and I still haven't done it. So at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to video me going through my stuff after Christmas because the stuff I've already taken out is still out on tables up in my sewing room. But when I go to put it away, I'll be able to put it all on tables and then I can get rid of every single thing I am done with. So I'm super excited about that. And I am so looking forward to the new year. So a lot of people, I told you guys how I felt about Christmas. Like I love Christmas, I love my family, and I love that, but I don't love the shopping. And, you know, I've already said all that. But I didn't tell you this part. If anybody was to ever ask me what's your favorite time of year, mine is the new year. It's my favorite. I love Happy New Year. Oh, I just love it so much. Now, I don't go out. I don't do anything. I haven't for so many years. Even when we were young, we went out with our friends and stuff a few times. I was in my 20s and I was just like, this is not for me. I don't like going out. There's too many people. It just wasn't my thing. I just wanted to stay home. So what I used to do, I used to have a daycare. And what I did for a couple years, knowing I didn't want to go out, I would let my daycare families go out and I would charge them, obviously, but I would do a sleepover. So it'd be a sleepover night for daycare. The parents could go out, go have their fun, and then come back the next day. And I would make an extra few dollars, and it was awesome. That was really fun, and it was really great for the parents because they got to, you know, they got to go have fun too and didn't have to look for a babysitter. I did that for a couple of years, and that was fun. But I just like to stay home on New Year's Eve. It's always just been really fun. And I don't even stay up and watch the ball and all that. But it's the next day. I love New Year's Day so much. It feels so fresh and so crisp and clean. And I just love that feeling of, it's New Year's Day. It's a whole new year. We get to put everything behind us and start fresh. So that's always been my thing. What's your favorite holiday and why? Leave me a comment and tell me. Okay, I am home. I wish you all a very, very happy holiday season. Whatever you're celebrating, I hope you have so much fun. I won't be back on till after Christmas. I know that the kids are home, Christmas vacation, so we'll probably be doing a lot of fun things during that week. So I'm not sure how much I'll be on during that week either. Okay, thanks so much for hanging out today. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Say bye, little Miss Reddy Thready.